Look, nature. Spun around 3 times today. I'm done with rides for the rest of the day.
Oh, geez.
Well, we did Francis's.
So he wanted to put us all in one ladybug. Nobody was on, and I'm like, no, get out of my ladybug. Go get your own ladybug.
I think she did say that. Get out of my ladybug.
But then, because there was no weight in our ladybugs,
it wasn't as fast.
Oh, I was out of control.
Oh, I was out of control too.
Were you?
Yeah. But then again, I do know hands.
You just got a bad bug.
Did I just get a bad bug?
Got a bad bug.
Ladybug was tired.
My ladybug was tired.
Where to next?
My name is Francis. She was excited that I said yes to Nemer.
Well, to me, to Memer.
Yeah. But I do
Multiple factors here.
I do need a chaser after all that spinning around in circles. They don't spin on this one, do they?
They slowly rotate at times.
Slowly rotate.
Hey, so last week we brought my niece on this ride, and the clamshell next to us just happened to be broken. So when you're going underwater, all the clamshells spin. And this one didn't. It's unnerving having an open clamshell staring at you.
That would be weird. Yeah. We have not been on this one for a long time either.
That was kind of why I asked mainly.
Yeah.
Also, I think I'm gonna go to sleep.
Are you sleepy?
So
you need a nap.
exhausted.
Have you tried like bourbon at night or something like that?
Right, isn't that what they put on the babies' bums back
when the
in
babies
day?
are fussy. If you're feeling fussy,
I got no bourbon.
Put some bourbon in your.
I got no bourbon.
Oh man.
I gotta change that.
Helping her sleep at night.
Hot toddy?
Yeah, a hot toddy.
Still need bourbon.
They say warm milk and bourbon in the warm milk. That sounds disgusting.
Sounds terrible.
No. I mean, there's like White Russians. That's good. Like
I love White Russian.
That's how well they know me at Napa. I ordered a coffee at the end of the night, and they were like, with Kahlua? And I was like, no, just coffee. I just went, hi.
Hey, hi guys.
Hi, you guys are fine. Oh my God, I'm not an alcoholic. I just want coffee.
I think you protest too much. Some days I wish this attraction were busier so that we could see the whole queue. Once again, they rob us of the whole queue.
Hence my whining from earlier.
Huh?
Hence my whining from earlier.
Oh.
If I could say the words, I'm being robbed of a queue, that's a great attraction.
Yes, right. Ooh, it's nice and chill in here too. Who knew it was so refreshing under the sea? Wait,
I did.
we're not under the sea yet though, are we?
No.
Where are we? Beachside?
It's Anaheim, California.
You need to get in the moment, Sarah. Get in the moment.
Actually, I don't know where Prince Eric lives.
The Caribbean.
What country was Hans Christian Andersen?
Norway?
Yeah, no, he's Norwegian.
Okay, so probably Scandinavian.
But then why does what's-his-face have a Caribbean accent, man?
He's from the freaking ocean, bruh. It's like the cook, he's French. Le poisson, le poisson.
oh my God, that's like my favorite scene.
You just channeled Maynard right now.
Frederick, if you know where the movie's supposed to be set, let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
What is he? It's in Nemerland.
Nemerland? These two ladies are out of frickin' control right now.
Duh. Wait. Who needs a scarf?
Or a cape.
Who needs a cape?
Ian? Cape?
If Ian could wear a cape, he'd wear it for you, Dan.
It's a cape.
It's a manly shawl. It's a mall.
It's a cape. Does he also wear a satchel?
It's a mall.
He probably has a satchel also.
Do you think he wears his fanny pack across his shoulder?
He should. I'm pretty sure it was already been established that there should be no capes.
Don't sit next to me. I want my own clam.
Okay, we'll all go together there or separate. Nobody wanted to ride in my clamshell. Why am I all by myself in my clamshell?
Those human thingies that make you not a fish.
Legs.
That's what this story's all.
To Embarcadero Gifts?
Maybe not for the show, if it was a very long time ago.
What do they even have in here?
Generic.
Is it not Little Mermaid specific?
It used to be.
Yeah.
It's like
random.
It's.
But we don't come here often to when that happens.
Look at.
Oh, it's.
Snack time. We all scream for ice cream.
Where's the. What do you want for breakfast, Johnny?
Muffins! That's
that
right.
shirt. That's right. I cannot stop thinking about that video.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what I did.
Yeah, it's kind of like whatever's like de rigueur.
You want to check out here?
You know, it's like all the.
I kind of liked it better.
Wouldn't that be cool? But they do have socks.
Oh, wow.
They have socks.
They do have these socks.
These are the good socks.
What kind of socks do you want, Johnny? What is this a good thing?
No.
Oh, I don't know how to react to this. What is it?
Stop it.
It was a rose gold coin purse or wallet or.
This is extra.
Okay.
Non-extra.
Somebody loves that.
For $50?
Oh
You still love it?
no. No, but I'm a dude. What do I know? Well, where to? We haven't been to, what's that place called again?
Redwood
the
Creek
forest.
Challenge.
That one, yes. Redwood, I call it the forest. Yeah, like I don't know what else to call it. Redwood, I can't even say it without sounding like Kripke, ever.
Redwood Creek.
Redwood Creek Forest. No, Redwood Creek
Challenge.
Wilderness Lodge.
I love your shirt.
Thank you very much.
Listen, hey, sir, I got news for you. While we make our way over to the
You learned
forest.
how to say it?
No, I'm just not gonna. On our way to the forest, we have recently partnered with the Muffin, who owns a travel agency.
That's right, we did.
Travel Felix is the name of the place. And what I want to do is invite everybody, all of our fans, if you're looking to get a ticket for Disneyland, if you're looking to book a vacation at Disneyland,
You got no idea where to start?
well, I mean, even if you're just buying a ticket, show some Muffin love.
Yeah.
Go to Travel Felix. We'll put a link in the description because I can't put one in the video that you can click. They won't let me do that. But in the link to the video is a link to their Facebook page. It's Travel Felix or Felix Disney on Facebook. If you're looking to buy a ticket or to book a whole vacation, they have packages. But even like I said, even if it's just a ticket, go to Travel Felix. They're muffins, and you know we want to keep it in the family, right? That's kind of cool.
Support your local muffin.
Support your local muffin, you guys. Keep it in the family. Go to Travel Felix. Look for the link in the description below. They're super nice. They even got. I think they're going to do some giveaways. For if you proclaim yourself as a muffin, they're going to make you like a lanyard. If you're, that's I think it's if you book a like a whole package.
But you gotta let them know you're a muffin.
You gotta let them know you're a muffin.
You guys camping?
Yes.
Come on in.
Yes.
2.5 acres of redwood trees and adventure.
What is that?
Penelope the porcupine's taking a rest here.
Oh, yeah. Are you gonna save it?
Yeah,
Oh,
we're
my
trying.
goodness.
Maybe we
All
can
right.
resuscitate it, you know?
Nice. You guys are doing a great job. Oh, look, he's got one too.
It's Rocky the raccoon.
Okay.
Wow, does he bite?
He almost bit my
Oh,
cat.
I guess a little bit.
Oh, Rocky.
So cute.
Have fun on the trail, guys.
We will. Thanks, Wayne. Ask for Grace. That's what you should ask for. She'll take care of you. She'll take care of you. If you're, well, I guess if you're not, but if you're a muffin, you're watching this, and that's why you're going there. Ian, tell me a story about old trees.
They're really old.
Oh.
Once upon a time.
I wonder how long it would take for all these trees to burn down.
Well,
You're dead.
not as long.
Not all right. Were any of these trees in the recent Corona fires or Aliso Viejo fires? Or
Well, the park's still standing, so I'm going
park
to
is
say
good?
no.
All right, good. Because the whole state was on fire for like a week there, wasn't
I mean,
it?
that happens every year, though.
Like
And
this
doesn't
tree
mean they're not
survived.
getting worse. Doesn't mean they're not getting worse. It's just, unfortunately, as Californians, we're somewhat desensitized to it.
Yeah, we are.
The way
Like
that
earthquakes.
The way that Floridians are desensitized to hurricanes.
Right, right.
We're like, oh yeah, earthquakes, fires. That we live
Earthquake,
with.
yeah.
They're like, yeah, hurricanes. We live with.
Earthquake is nothing but an alarm clock,
Yeah.
basically. I guess we're up now.
Well, I mean, I tend to sleep through them, so that's
Right,
work
right.
for me.
This tree goes back all the way to 818 AD. That's 1,200 years ago.
Yeah.
Am I right? Did I get the math right?
You did. Good job.
Woo! Nailed it.
I mean, we don't know what month, so we'll keep it even and say yeah.
Well, if it's 1,200 years, give or take, I mean, you're pretty close, even at 1,200 years.
Are the oldest living things on Earth?
Did I know that they're what?
They're the oldest living things on Earth.
This tree's dead.
California's bristlecone pine trees, which is what this is from.
Oh, not this tree specifically. Look, nature. Look at that. Hey, somebody give me a Chevy Chase head bob right now. Okay. Somebody dropped a penny. It's too bad.
Yeah, that's a good drop right there.
Maybe that's
How
what
is
they
that
were
even
aiming.
possible? Yeah, like Ian, can you imagine a scenario where a penny could land just like that and not?
How does Penny get there?
How'd that penny stay there?
Dumb luck.
Dumb luck?
Dumb luck.
I can't. In my brain, I'm like, I can't even. And I'm the one with the dumb jokes. Hey, remember that one time we played Pooh Sticks? That was fun.
Of course I do. You made me chase my stick all the way down the river.
That's the whole point of Pooh Sticks.
If I remember correctly, I won last time.
Well, you won because we couldn't find the other.
No, but then we did. We found some of yours. The others came in after.
Oh, did it?
Mine was the
Is that
only-
right?
Yeah, mine was the only one they made all the way down. Wait in my book.
They should put some actual wild creatures in here, I think. Don't you think?
Like a yellow-bellied marmot.
Well, why not? I hear fun happening. Are we doing that? Oh my God, I remember the ninja used to have so much fun in this place. This was the one place where I could bring him and then just let him run around and I could just stay in one spot. I didn't have to like chase him around the,
Ninja?
yeah,
That was me and Tom's first
yeah.
day. My dad tried to. He didn't keep up with me.
It was kind of, it was a little scary because you want to chase after them, you want to follow them and make sure, but then you also want to give them that freedom, you know?
Right.
I don't know, I'm now getting all reflective. I miss my young boy. He's all old now, driving cars and talking to girls and preparing for college. This place is pretty amazing. I love the forest, the Redwood forest or wherever we are. Oh God, those are, oh geez. Oh look, interesting and fascinating rocks.
I'm gonna punch you.
Look at these.
Get my permission.
Can you get that one out for me? I'd like to carry that in my pocket.
That's the new rage these days. Everybody's into rose quartz rock these days, as opposed to like.
Well, actually, we are now.
I want to be your stupid.
I don't want to be a part of this family. I don't care if I'm left off some stupid ofrenda.
Mika.
Cue Michael G. Keaton music as he runs away.
And cue music.
Man, the gasps in our audience when we saw that premiere one, everyone was like, "Oh, Mikkel!
Stupid ofrenda?
Don't say that!"
Is there? Do they still? They don't do the thing down here anymore, do
We
they?
haven't done the show in a long time.
What a waste of a lovely spot.
Now they only use it at Christmas.
Christmas and that's it. They could keep a bunch of California quails there. Like you could put 8 or 9 California quails in there.
When were there quails in there?
I'm not saying that they weren't. I'm saying now they could use the space. You could put a quail or a wolf.
And then what do you do with the quails when Santa's here?
Dinner.
We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!